So I just thought I'd do a quick video on breakouts of trends. So let's see, like, we got from the wicks. Okay, it's an interesting one here. So you want to be pretty strict with what you're doing. So I like that because I get the top here. I get this bearish engulfing, this bearish engulfing, this bearish engulfing, and that bearish engulfing. Alright, so you want to be very strict with what you do. Now you do get a fake out here, right? So candle closes, opens above the trend. So if the traders are seeing this, then maybe it pushes up more. So some might consider that a potential break of the trend. Say if you were back here, right? So you're looking at that rejection, right? Rejection, rejection, and you just chuck an alert on that. So at that point in time, right? So you get that sort of candle break above. You gotta be careful here. That's why you gotta have a stop loss. And then it gets another bearish candle there, and once again, candle opens on the trend line, and boom, bearish engulfing, so forth. Okay, so now we have buying support, right? So buying pressure, pushing the price back up. We have pretty much a hammer here, and looking for the break. Okay, so the break. Now, depending on how fast you'll have to watch this, right? You'd have to watch this, and because this wick, it'll surely close you out. So you got to, in that time, you've got to make that decision of where it might retrace. Okay, so you can go from here to here because that's this run, right? So the fibs is for this run. Okay, and you're looking for, it's a great entry on the 50% because it is the break of the trend, and or the 618. So and that's just for this candle, yeah. We're not going to take profit up here. We're just, if we're a breakout trader, we're just buying the break. 6% there. It's nice. If you got in closer to the 618, so you know that the candle's open here and it could potentially come back up. Again, comes back to risk management plus the buy support here, buy support here. So if you did do fibs from here to here, like, it's pretty cheap here, so you could enter in on this candle here. So that's that break. Alright, potentially another it's sort of a morning star candle there. So it is a reversal candle. It comes back to the 50% of the fibs, so you could go up, take profit, and then once again take profit up here at that evening star just there. Evening star also signals a reversal, so if you wanted to do the continuation pattern down and take a short, then that's what you'd be doing there. Alright, so it's coming up like this. If you wanted to, just put an alert on for a buy, price will come down, touches, you've got the higher low, long, right? You could just do just that candle, take profit, comes back again, and bang, take profit. Look at that, perfect evening star there, signaling the reverse, drops through, drops under, and depending on if you want to take the short on this candle or this candle, there's not much, there's no real wicks to the upside, so no buying here, so it'd be pretty safe. A little bit of a pullback, down again. So now you've got a decent thing like that. So one, rejection, rejection, a little bit of a breakout or a fake out, and reject it again. So if we continue that trend, okay, so that's like that. Then you have a more aggressive approach. Okay, so if you get like that, so you get that sort of breakout on this candle, boom, one, selling pressure here. So you'd want to be, if you were just in this candle, you'd want to be getting out. It's opened here, closed there, right? So price is being rejected. This is a 4-hour candle, so it's definitely worth its weight in paying attention, right? So now it's sort of finding support on the trend, breaks through with the bearish engulfing, so wicks to the downside, buys support, pushes up, breaks the trend, bang. So that's that breakout that you're looking for there. Alright, so this is your intra trend. This is your main trend since it's a longer length of time. It breaks through, hits here, bang, another bullish engulfing. So you'd be buying the break here and buying the break there. Alright, so then it's up to you. I believe I bought around here 31.7. So I bought in this bullish engulfing there. Pushes it up. I wish I'd held. So there we go. Now we've got a very aggressive trend up here. Another aggressive trend up here, intra trend. So not looking good. So especially with that candle, it's only just open, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, just don't know what's going to happen right now. So just got to wait, really. So waiting for the break and potentially, bearish engulfing, finding support, maybe another push up. If we do, we'll get that. We should get a head and shoulders type pattern. So yeah, the head, break with the bearish engulfing, back to the other trend, a little bit of rejection, and then potentially another bearish engulfing, break of this major trend and signaling the reverse down. So the levels that I'd be really looking for support would be here. Alright, so it's sort of had resistance and support. So it's 34. There we go. And just like that. Those types of things. So if I put the neckline like this. Okay. There's that. So it's just a bit of foresight. We've got to try to sort of think, what are the odds here? The odds that are we going to consolidate and then push through, or are we going to consolidate and just have a sell off? So that's yet to be seen. So yeah, but that's a little bit about potentially looking for breakouts, trend lines, uh, support, resistance, and you know how to take trades just off trends like this. Being on the 4 hour, much better for buying off trend lines, just because you can sort of see it, and it'll touch, and it won't freak you out that much, because these candles, they move slow. Whereas if you're on the 1 minute, you might fucking see something boom like that, but it's only like 1%. You know what I mean? So you just have to be aware of what time frame you're on. So far, I've just been on the 4 hours and just using fibs. It's been really good. So I've taken a real step back from scalp trading, as I'm looking to, just buy breaks, or buy on market structure or trends, and sort of just let it go. So, but yeah, I hope this can help anybody that is potentially looking for this type of information, and enjoy your evening.